In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and high-ticket means that you can make higher commissions because these are usually products that the price is around $1,500 or even up to $2,000. Now, the product that I have been promoting is this one, the Freedom Accelerator training. And you can promote this product through a challenge, the 72-hour challenge. This is my affiliate dashboard, and I already had increased my commissions to 40% because this company was paying us as an affiliate 35%. And if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links, and the link that I promote is this one, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And when people click that page, and if they put their information, which is their name and their email inside of this page, I can have here another referral. And if that person buys the 72-hour challenge, the upsells, or Freedom Accelerator, I can make those commissions because I'm an affiliate of this product. Now let me show you. This is the 72-hour challenge, and this is Freedom Accelerator. Basically, these products or online trainings have really good information on how to start affiliate marketing, how to succeed, and also how to drive traffic to your opt-in page, and how to build an automated sales system, which basically is working like 24/7. And that system is helping me to make commissions in any day or any hour of the day to make money by promoting these products and also other products that I'm going to show you later. So the one thing that it's important to succeed with affiliate marketing is to have your own system. So check this out. I have been using this funnel, and a funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And I have been using this funnel, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook, in which I'm telling people that if they want to get access to the ebook, which is 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate, I'm going to send that ebook to them if they put their information, which is their name and their email address. So I'm going to click here on edit so you can see the actual opt-in page that I'm using to collect leads. And basically, I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page, and I collect that information. And then I have an email sequence to nurture my email list. And basically, we can make sales by promoting these products through email. So check this out. One of the most important things about the opt-in page is the hook. So this hook is working really well. Finally, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And when people click this button, free download, this pop-up appears, and I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. And then I have here more information, a picture of the ebook, and also my photo, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. Then people will get access to the second step or the second page, in which I tell them that please check their email because I'm going to send this ebook through email. And then they will go to the bridge page, which is the third page. So that page is important because here I have recorded a simple video explaining the next steps they need to do in order to get access to the training, and so they can start learning the skills on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So in this case is with high ticket affiliate marketing. So check this out. this is the video that I've recorded. It's a very simple video, and I have here this button. When people click that button, they will go to my affiliate offer, which is this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if they buy the 72-hour challenge through that page, I can make the commission. But let's say that they don't buy the challenge, but they put their information. I can make that commission in the future because I have sent to this company another referral. So that's why this system is powerful, because you just need to send referrals to this company by promoting the products, and you can make money with this system, which is basically high ticket affiliate marketing. Now let me show you. Once ClickFunnels has the information of the name and the email, is going to send that information to another software, getresponse. And here, if I click on tools and then on automation, I have the email sequence that I have built to nurture my email list and also to drive traffic to my social media, for example, YouTube, TikTok. And also I send valuable emails to give value to people with the information that I have. So check this out. So as you can see in the screen, I have many automation workflows. And I'm going to click on this one, Freedom Accelerator. I have 115 people going through this workflow. So check this out. When someone subscribes to the Freedom Accelerator list via any method, getresponse sends these two emails: a welcome message and my own story. Then getresponse waits for 1 day and then send the email number 2. Then wait for 1 day and send the email number 3. And these are free affiliate trainings that I recorded to give value to my email list. And then I start promoting my YouTube channel. So this is a video on how to make money with ClickFunnels, which is the software that I use to build and use the opt-in pages, the sales funnels. And as you can see, I have here all these emails in which I promote the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, and also multiple affiliate products and offers that are inside of the niche in which I'm promoting. So as you can see, this requires time and effort to build a system like this one, because you need to build your own opt-in page. You need to have a lead magnet. The lead magnet in this case is the ebook, and I'm giving the ebook in exchange for the email. And then it's important to build the email sequence and add more emails. And inside of the emails, we need to write valuable information to give value to our email list. We can send also YouTube videos to give free trainings, which are YouTube channel. And also we can promote multiple affiliate offers to build multiple income streams using affiliate marketing. And in this training, the Freedom Accelerator, Jonathan has created a done for you system, which I want to show it to you right now, because if you don't know how to build this system by yourself, you can use this done for you system, which has this funnel with the opt-in page, lead magnet, which is a free course, and also it has, I think right now, 360 days of emails to nurture your email list. So check this out. And I have been testing this opt-in page, and it's really working for me because I'm collecting leads. And this system has an entire ecosystem of products that I'm going to show you in a minute. So check this out. This is the opt-in page, how anyone can start the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home. And when people click here, I collect the name, the email, and their cell phone number. And when they click get instant access, this software is going to send this free course, which are 7 modules, to the people who put their information in that opt-in page. And then it's going to start sending emails automatically to promote multiple products. And which products am I promoting with the software? Let me show you. If I click here on Funnel Freedom and then affiliate link settings, I'm promoting these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator. The only thing I need to do here is to copy and paste my affiliate links from the affiliate dashboard from these companies to this page. I'm promoting also Funnel Freedom, which is the software. So Funnel Freedom is the software that we can use to build our sales funnels. So this is similar to ClickFunnels. I'm promoting Secrets of Success, which is an online training to have a success mindset. I'm promoting System Data Joe, which is a funnel builder. This is a free funnel builder. I'm promoting GetResponse, which is the software that I use to do email marketing. So as you can see, guys, this is a very, very powerful done for you system, because I'm promoting all of these products through emails that I didn't need to write, because these emails are already set up inside of this done for you system. So if I click on automation, because I want to show you the automation workflow. So this is very similar to GetResponse. Here we're going to see the workflow that are published. If I click here on white label course Freedom Ascension, so check this out. We have here this nurturing sequence that I didn't write, and right now we have here published 2 nurturing sequence. So the first one is the welcome sequence, and so when people subscribes to the opt-in page that I will show it to you, Funnel Freedom sends this email, which is a welcome message with the course access. Then wait for 1 day, and then sends the 72-hour challenge. So check this out. And here I have, for example, this is the welcome sequence. Basically, Funnel Freedom send these emails, and then it's going to start sending the next sequence. And here we have supporting offer number 2, which is Legendary Marketer. This is another high ticket product that we can promote inside of this software. And as you can see, I have waiting here 1 person. Then Funnel Freedom is going to send the review for Legendary Marketer. And here in this case, I didn't do a review on a YouTube video, because we're using the leverage of Jonathan, who is the creator of this training, and also he is the creator of this software, and he has made already all the reviews for all these products. And when people click on those links, people are going to watch Jonathan videos, but below the videos they are going to find buttons, and if people click those buttons, they will be clicking my affiliate links. And this is a powerful way in which we can use Jonathan's YouTube channel, and practically we are leveraging his authority to promote our affiliate links. That's why I think this software is a very powerful strategy if you want to start with affiliate marketing, and if you don't know how to do the tech stuff. So check this out. I have in this step 2 people waiting, and then Funnel Freedom is going to send unfair tools to automate the business. And if I scroll down, you can see that I have here many emails that the software is going to send automatically to my email list. And this done for you system, it's working for me because I made my first commission using the software in less than 30 days. I had a sale of the 72-hour challenge, and it was from this system. Right now I have 9 people enrolled on these email sequences. And Jonathan explains how to set up this system in these lessons. So basically, in this course, Freedom Accelerator, this is like the updated. This is like the 2.0 version, because the first version didn't have the how to use this software, this system. But he relaunched it. He relaunched the 72-hour challenge in Freedom Accelerator. And here we have all the trainings and all the information on how to set up well and properly this system. Now, if you want to get access, guys, to the 72-hour challenge, the price is $9, which is this course. And this course has these lessons: the freedom to roadmap, the automated sales system using an unfair tool. So basically, he is teaching us as well in his challenge, in the 72-hour challenge, how to set up this system with Funnel Freedom Data, how to automate the sales system, the advanced setup. And then you need to book a call with a business advisor to get access to day number 3, which are 3 secret traffic methods for fast results. So once you have your entire system set up, you need to start sending traffic to it. And you can do that by 2 ways: by free traffic strategies and paid traffic strategies. Free traffic is by creating content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and paid traffic is by paying Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or TikTok Ads. Now, there is a simple way that you can use to drive traffic to your funnel, which is the 5-second silent method, in which you can record videos between 5 and 15 second short form videos and upload those videos on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, and drive traffic to your sales funnels as well, utilizing that strategy, which is like an easiest way to start creating content, instead of like trying to like record long form videos on YouTube, because that takes like more time. You need to do a keyword research, you need to prepare, you need to learn more skills to grow your YouTube channel, which you can learn all that knowledge inside of Freedom Accelerator. So check this out. And I studied this training, automated traffic machine generating leads from YouTube, to grow my YouTube channel and to get to 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you want to get access to the 72-hour challenge, you can click the first link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.